Hello guys, welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Some Yoruba socio-political groups have set June 12, 2021 as the date for referendum for Yoruba self-determination. The groups, which also called on state lawmakers as well as members of the National Assembly who are Yoruba to move a motion for self-determination of the Yoruba people, spoke in a communique issued at the end of their meeting in Ibadan, Oyo State on Thursday. The leader of Yoruba Koya, Chief Deji Osibogun, read the communique at the end of the meeting at the Western Hall Parliament Buildings, Ibadan. The communique read, "The following days should be celebrated in Yoruba land. June 12, 2021 is being set aside as the day of referendum for Yoruba on self-determination. The determination referendum will be held on June 12, October 1st, which is National Independence Day, and September 21, which is the day Yoruba people signed the peace treaty. The painful situation in Yewa land, Okeogun, Ekiti, Ondo, which has made some of our citizens refugees in neighboring country, is rejected. All Yoruba should go back to their towns and villages and protect their land." The meeting urged the elites of Yoruba land to make more impactful and meaningful contributions towards the determination of the new Yoruba nation. It called on other Yoruba groups to mobilize relief materials for the affected Yoruba people in the Fulani ravaged areas. The meeting resolved to call members of all House of Assembly across Yoruba land and Yoruba lawmakers in the House of Representatives and the Senate to move a meaningful motion for self-determination of Yoruba nation so that they can identify with the people they represent, and this has a timeline of 90 days starting from March 25th to June 25th, 2021, the communique added. The convener of the meeting, Dr. Victor Taiwo, said the Oni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, instructed him to convene the meeting where the unity of all Yoruba people, irrespective of location, religion, and social status, was the central focus. Human rights lawyer Femi Falana, who called in on the telephone to give his remarks, said Yoruba people should unite and begin restructuring within the states in the southwest. However, the Secretary General of the Yoruba Council of Elders, Dr. Kunle Olajide, when contacted on the telephone, said there was no provision for referendum in the 1999 Constitution, adding that the idea might not work. He said, "Which body will conduct the referendum? Is it the INEC, state electoral bodies, or their own group that will conduct the referendum? To the best of my knowledge, there is no referendum in the 1999 Constitution, and we have been clamoring for it that referendum must be included. A group of handpicked people cannot say they are going to conduct a referendum. What for? In any case, we have 6 states which are called Yoruba nations in Nigeria, and also Kwara and Kogi states. Had the democratically elected officials in these states in support of this? Under which umbrella is this referendum going to be organized? Did the governors give them permission to use their various states' independent electoral commission? Is that allowed in the sovereign country that we are in?"
Political obstacle that we have on ground. Talking about the INEC.
No.
But do you think they can
We
wrestle
only
power
need
from
to
them?
get organized. I mean, you saw a bit of that last year with the NSAS protest. The ruling class was in disarray.
Totally.
You get it? So we only need to sustain such an organized mass movement. And that will be the end of the rot that has become our law.
So what do you have to say to those that are calling for secession?
For
Secession.
who are calling for
People that are calling for division
Break
in
up.
Nigeria. Break up in
break up of
Nigeria.
Nigeria. No doubt, the ruling class has run Nigeria as grand. But in Nigeria is possible. Nigeria is the largest concentration of black people on earth. We must make it to succeed. Those who are calling for a breakup of Nigeria along ethnic lines are short-sighted. Are short-sighted. We provide respect. They are short-sighted. They simply want to transfer national oppression, national exploitation to their own freedom. It's not about, none of them is talking about education for everybody in their imagined republic. None of them is addressing the type of economy that will promote prosperity in the republic of their dream. It's all about, let us have our own freedom to continue the oppression of the masses.
Continuation.
And that will not work. And by the way, all those who are demanding, who are declaring republics online, have they had referenda? Have they had plebiscite? Where the people have now said we are leaving Nigeria. Nobody has done that. After a group of people just suddenly decide we want to go to where? You must address the problems of underdevelopment of the country. And these problems that they are posing as or the excuse for a possible breakup, right? It's man-made. Those problems can be solved. If this government is determined to do, it can end violent farmer-sellers clashes today. It's scientific. And it has been done in Nigeria today. We used to have ranches in this country in the 50s and 60s. But they collapsed under all manners of military dictators. It was not the practice to take cattle around the country. No, it's a strange phenomenon. Two, if you are discussing security, you must think of the social aspect of security and the physical aspect. Again, today, you can all get to know where bandits are going. The other day, an American was kidnapped in Niger State. The Americans, through drones, knew where the man was being held. So troops were sent from America. They landed in Abuja, located where the man was, and rescued him. It's scientific. Security is technology driven now. So it's not about, checking every vehicle moving on the road. No. In your room here, you can monitor the security situation in the entire federal capital. So you must deploy resources to install CCTV cameras all over the country. For Abuja here, the contract was awarded. For Lagos, the contract was awarded. The fund was stolen.
Thank you.
We must go back.
Thank you. Nobody's going anywhere.